Hello guys, this is Transcend Capital. We just opened a $6.5 million short on Bitcoin, and you guys can see now what's happening in the traditional stock market as well. The Nasdaq is going down at the US Open, and basically what I'm expecting is that Bitcoin is probably going to head towards the $112,000 region. Let's have a look.
But at the same time, several decades, and I think the current environment is very ideal for them. They have.
When I was a kid,
I bought
when people were listening
two
to
pairs of jean shorts there 2 weekends ago.
shorts, huh?
Yeah, they're back.
So yeah, these are important outflows, and in order to maintain a bullish momentum on Bitcoin, we should have a reduction of these outflows and an increase in the number of inflows on BTC for the upcoming weeks. So let's have a look now. As you guys can see, the markets are going down rapidly, the Nasdaq as well.
Join me each week on Wall Street Week for stories of capitalism from business, markets, economics, tech, and climate. More than what you need to know, it's what you need to think about.
Middle East and Africa, vibrant resources and high-yield investment opportunities abound. Join me on Horizons Middle East and Africa for the stories, newsmakers, and insight from this exciting region. Now weekdays, only on Bloomberg.
It's the countdown to the market open as we bring you the first trades across Europe.
We'll debate the most important stories and what will drive the big investment decisions throughout the morning. I'm Guy Johnson.
I'm Kriti Gupta.
And I'm Anna Edwards. Join us every
So as you can see guys, price action is looking not so great.
At 7 a.m. here in London.
Only on Bloomberg. Context changes everything.
Bringing you up-to-the-minute geopolitical news whenever and wherever it happens. I'm David Gura
Same
in
thing
Ottawa,
on
Canada.
the traditional
and this
stock market.
is Bloomberg. This is Bloomberg Open Interest. I'm Matt Miller. Let's take a look at what's going on in stocks today. We do see the S&P continuing to fall and falling further now. Another 0.5% drop here to 63.78. We're coming down from essentially 6,500. So we're actually losing ground. On the NASDAQ as well, down more than 1%. As Katie showed you earlier, we have almost all the Mag 7
All right,
down,
Bitcoin is going down.
including Avgo. So Broadcom would make it the Mag 8, and that's a big loser today as well. The Russell is a loser, but the Dow Jones Industrial Average holding steady with all cyclical and industrials on it. NVIDIA is one of the big problems, down 2.6%, and Tesla off more than 2% as well. We do see Toll Brothers. We were talking to Nora Melinda about the home builder earlier on results, actually doing a little bit better, and TJ Maxx continuing to add to the gains that we've seen over the last 5 years. That stock has tripled. Intel, like the curse of the cover, as soon as we start talking about how well it has been doing, it's off 6%. And Oracle, which we're going to talk about right now, also down 2.33%, Katie.
Yeah, well, it's a down market, but Oracle shares, they've risen about 40% year to date. You think about why, and a lot of it has to do with the tech giants' change in fortunes, and they've been powered by major deals with AI heavyweights NVIDIA and OpenAI. Bloomberg tech reporter Brody Ford joins us right now. So there's those deals for sure, but there's also Larry Ellison's change of heart in general when it comes to the cloud unit of this company.
Very famously, 2008, Ellison is on stage saying the cloud is gibberish. I'm not sure we really want to be in this business. And because for a long time, Oracle made money by selling its famous database and installing it right on your servers. And so they didn't want this business model where you're selling computing power over the internet. And Oracle was kind of this wayward, tech giant of a previous generation, and that's really changed in the last couple of years with the AI boom.
So who are his biggest customers? I mean, what is... Well.
So yeah, I mean, Oracle, it's going to be that OpenAI is on track to be the largest customer by far, right? It's going to be that, cloud infrastructure will be the largest portion of the business. And that's because earlier this year, we saw at the White House, they had the, Larry Ellison was standing there.
The Stargate meeting.
Yeah, the Stargate meeting. And so the question now for Oracle is, can they fulfill on all this? We have some details on how they are making some very drastic steps to try to build out big data centers quicker than have ever been done before. And so the jury is somewhat still out on whether they can fully capitalize on the demand.
It's a great story, and I recommend everyone read it on the terminal. Brody Ford from Bloomberg wrote that piece on Oracle and the change of heart that Larry Ellison has had, which helped him become the second richest man in the world. Coming up in the next hour, strategist Matt Maley joins us from Miller Tabak. Morgan Stanley economist Sarah Wolf, plus the CEO of Udemy on AI impacting the next generation of workers, finding it may be tough to get a job out of college. Then Michael Baker joins us from D.A. Davidson. It's a full show. We're going to talk about Ford's potentially $300,000 off-road supercar as well. This is Bloomberg Open Interest.
So guys, as you can see, the Nasdaq is dropping at the US Open.
Let's suppose you hire people in this business and they start losing money.
Yeah.
How long before you say, this isn't for you?
When we bring people on, we're looking for a previous record of success. So we don't train people, particularly on the investing side, right out of college. They would have come with already experience. Then there's also...
All right, guys, this is it. I'll send you the second part tonight on Jerome Powell's Federal Reserve meeting. So stay tuned for tonight.